everyone, you're welcome, and this is Listen. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can basically start earning some USDT for yourself through this platform called Airbot USD. And for which to get started, just click on the link in the description. You fill out all this information, login password, security password, the invitation code will automatically show, and you can register. You either use a registered email or you use the phone, anyone you choose. So once you click on the register button, you'll be taken straight to the next page. Now, after you successfully register, you get this welcome message which says latest announcement, and you'll see some details which you can just read through. But let's just click on the close button. So note that this is actually a quantified platform which is kind of trading, but the trade is done for you automatically. And for you to get started, you just have to click on the quantify, and once you newly register, you'll actually be in the VIP level. But there is actually a way whereby you can use to get the VIP for totally free, and I'll be showing you that or teaching how you can get that in this video also. So for we to get started, we just have to go with the VIP. Like I said, your level will actually be the VIP 0, but with that you can't earn anything. So starting from the VIP 1, which you need actually a minimum of 11 USDT for you to unlock, while the VIP 2 you need a minimum of 200 USDT for you to unlock. But your profit ratio is different for each of those levels. For your VIP 1 is 20.818%, the VIP 2 is 20.38%, and you can check on other VIP for you to know what you'll be going with. So let's say you wanted to go with the VIP 2, which is the most popular. You can click on the click to unlock and you click on the confirm, because it told us the amount we need to use it to unlock, which is around 189 right now. We needed to add. You can click on the 20 USDT, and if you notice, there is a quantitative account in the smart account, but just focus on the quantitative account right now and just leave it that way. And you can copy the wallet, go and make the deposit, and once you're done doing that, you click on the recharge complete, and with this your deposit should reflect. Okay, and you can now go back and come back to the quantify. So from the quantify section right now, you can now do the tax. So if you notice, my quantify reset time says it's still counting, and I have 04/1 start quantify, so I've not yet done any tax today, so I can do a tax. And for me to do that, you can just click on the start quantify, and this will begin the trade for you automatically. And once it actually carries out the trade for you and it's done, the profit you earn should be sent to you. And now I earn 2.175 USDT, and you can click on the close button and go to the home. So you know how you can deposit, how you can do the trade, but it's left for you to place a withdrawal if you want to. And for you to do that, you can click on the withdrawal close to the recharge, and for you can actually place a withdrawal, which the minimum withdrawal is for the 20 USDT is 2, while the TRC 20 USDT also is 2. But let's go with the 20 USDT. We fill out the amount, wallet address, and security password, and the withdrawal fee is 0. As from this, you can now click on the confirm button, which it says withdrawal success, but we can just wait for we to receive it because there will be some blockchain confirmation. So let's just go back and let me show you the way whereby you can actually earn without even making a single deposit, and you'll be able to withdraw. For you to do that, you can just click on the invite friends, and you can invite your friends and family, or just try to work on it. So click on the invitation link and you've copied it, or you can copy the invitation code for them to use to register, and you'll earn by doing so. Okay, so let's just click on the home and let me show you the referral rebate you get once you invite to this platform. So for your first level you earn 11%, second level you earn 3%, and third level you earn 2%, making a total of 16%. By doing so, you actually earn a lot. And if you have any question or any complaint on it, you can use the customer service icon over there, and you select that Telegram channel for you to join, or you can reach out to that Telegram customer service. And also you can read from this app for you to just read the frequently asked question and how to make money and reason to get, like, you can just go through everything. But that's it, and let's go and check the withdrawal we place if the confirmation is done. So if you look closely at the deposit detail, you can check the time and you see the actual amount replaced, which is 2.1755, and it was sent to us. So you can jump on it right now for you to also start earning, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, love you guys.